Hello, hello. Welcome to Daily English Lines. I am Joy. I am so happy you are here today. I am your teacher, and I am your friend. Relax. Take a deep breath. Breathing is good. In and out. Good. This podcast is for you. It is simple. It is slow. We will speak English together. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. We learn from mistakes. Today, we have a very important topic. It is a topic everyone talks about. We will talk about the weather. Yes, the weather. Look outside your window. What do you see? Is it blue? Is it gray? Is it bright? Let's start. Are you ready? Let's go. Part 1. The sun. First, let's talk about a happy day. Imagine the sky is blue, very, very blue. There is a big yellow ball in the sky. It is the sun. Can you say that? Sun. When the sun is in the sky, we say the weather is sunny. Listen to the sound at the end. Sunny, sunny. Let's practice. Repeat after me. It is sunny. It is sunny. Very good. When it is sunny, usually it is hot. H-O-T. Hot. When it is hot, you want to drink water. When it is hot, you wear a t-shirt. You do not need a jacket. Let's put the words together. It is sunny and hot. Excellent. Sometimes the sun is very bright. It hurts your eyes, so you wear special glasses. Do you know the name? They are sunglasses. Sun, glasses. Let's review this part. The word is sunny. The feeling is hot. You wear sunglasses. I love sunny days. I go to the beach when it is sunny. Part 2. The rain. Now, let's change the weather. The blue sky goes away. The yellow sun goes away. Now the sky is gray. There are big, fluffy things in the sky, white and gray things. These are clouds. Can you say cloud? When there are many clouds, we say it is cloudy. Cloudy. Repeat after me. It is cloudy. It is cloudy today. Good job. Sometimes water falls from the clouds. Drip, drop. Drip, drop. This is rain. I like the sound of rain, but I do not like getting wet. When water falls from the sky, we say it is rainy. Rainy. Repeat after me. It is rainy. When it is rainy, you need help. You do not want to get wet. You need an object. You hold it over your head. It looks like a mushroom. It is an umbrella. This is a long word. Let's break it down. Umbrella. Umbrella. Let's make a sentence. It is rainy. I need my umbrella. Your turn. Say it. Good. Sometimes when it is rainy, it is not hot. It is a little bit cool. Not cold, but cool. You might need a light jacket. Let's review part 2. The sky is gray. It is cloudy. Water falls. It is rainy. You hold an umbrella. Okay, let's travel. Let's go to winter. Now it is not hot. It is not cool. It is cold. Brr, it is cold. Can you say cold? When it is very, very cold, the rain turns white. It falls softly. It is beautiful. This is snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. When snow falls, we say the weather is snowy. Snowy. Repeat after me. It is snowy. It is cold and snowy. When it is snowy, you cannot wear a t-shirt. No, no, no. You will freeze. You need warm clothes. You need a big jacket. We call this a coat. You need something for your neck. This is a scarf. And you need something for your hands. These are gloves. Let's practice the sentence. It is snowy. I wear my coat. Your turn. Very good. There is one more type of weather. Sometimes you cannot see it, but you can feel it. It pushes you. Whoosh! It moves the trees. It blows your hair. This is the wind. When there is a lot of wind, we say it is windy. Windy. Repeat after me. It is windy. Sometimes it is sunny and windy. Sometimes it is rainy and windy. Windy is powerful. Okay, now you know the words. You know sunny, rainy, snowy, and windy. But how do you ask a friend? You want to know the weather. What do you say? There are two common questions. They mean the same thing. Question 1. How is the weather? Let's say it slowly. How is the weather? Repeat. Question 2. What is the weather like? Let's say it slowly. What is the weather like? Repeat. Imagine you are on the phone with me. I ask you, hello, what is the weather like? You look outside, you see the sun, you answer, it is sunny. Simple, right? Let's try again. I ask you, how is the weather? You look outside, you see rain, you answer, it is rainy. Perfect. Now let's listen to a short story. I will tell you about my week. Listen for the weather words. Count the weather words. Are you ready? Just listen. On Monday, I woke up early. I looked out the window. The sky was blue. It was sunny. I was happy. I walked in the park. It was hot. On Tuesday, things changed. The clouds came. It was cloudy. The sky was gray. In the afternoon, the water fell. It was rainy. I forgot my umbrella. I got wet. On Wednesday, it was very strange. It was sunny, but it was also windy. The wind blew my hat off my head. Whoosh! On Thursday, it was very cold. I needed my big coat. I drank hot tea to stay warm. On Friday, I stayed inside. It was stormy. A storm is heavy rain and strong wind. It was loud. Did you hear the words? Monday, sunny. Tuesday, rainy. Wednesday, windy. Thursday, cold. Weather changes every day. That is why we talk about it. Okay, let's play a game. I will describe a situation. You tell me the weather word. Situation 1. I am at the beach. I am eating ice cream. I am wearing sunglasses. The sky is yellow and bright. What is the weather? Did you say sunny? Yes, it is sunny. Situation 2. I am shivering. Brr. I am wearing a scarf and gloves. Everything outside is white. What is the weather? Did you say snowy? Yes, it is snowy. Situation 3. I hear a noise on my roof. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. I see puddles of water on the ground. What is the weather? Did you say rainy? Correct. It is rainy. Situation 4. The trees are moving back and forth. My hair is flying in my face. It is difficult to walk straight. What is the weather? Did you say windy? Good job. It is windy. Okay, you are doing a great job. We are almost finished. Let's look at our words one last time. The blue sky word is sunny. The water falling word is rainy. The white cold word is snowy. The moving air word is windy. The gray sky word is cloudy. And the questions: how is the weather? What is the weather like? Conclusion. Thank you for studying with me today. English takes time. Do not rush. Listen to this podcast again tomorrow. Repetition is power. Next time you go outside, look at the sky. Ask yourself, what is the weather like? And answer yourself in English. It is sunny or it is cloudy. Talk to yourself. It is good practice. I am Joy. This was Easy English with Joy. I am proud of you. Keep learning, keep speaking. Have a beautiful, sunny day. Goodbye.